Clarkson School is a selective early college program. It's for students who skip their senior year of high school typically. So they would leave their high school after their junior year and they would come here and start a year early as a freshman. You're treated just as a typical freshman, just with a little additional support. But other than that, you can basically do almost everything that a freshman would do. I chose to come to the Clarkson School and skip my senior year of high school because I thought it was a really great opportunity to kickstart my college education, take more rigorous courses. I already knew what I wanted to do as a career path. I'm a psychology major, so being able to take more classes other than just AP psychology in high school and take more of those rigorous, more major-focused classes was a really great opportunity here.
There are so many benefits from the Clarkson School. I'd have trouble even listing all of them, but I can list a couple. Definitely the support system that you get at Clarkson School is a lot larger than you would get as a regular freshman. You have so many people around you that not only are helping you with just academics, but are also helping you with your college transition. You have people who are helping you not only stay at Clarkson if you'd like to stay at Clarkson, but if you have dreams to go elsewhere, they will help you with wherever you want to go in life. So whether that be going to an Ivy League, which we've sent so many students to, or if you want to go directly into the professional field, whatever you want to do, we have staff here to help you with that.